mấy hai Lungjang lại Bitian ta na nói cái đó không thay. We are coming back from Bitian and Lungjang. We are so tired. This is Lungjang horses.
No, Bitian.
Oh, Bitian horses.
Go and click one side, huh?
Bitian horse.
I am
These
on
are
the journey.
brother and sister who went first. The four of them are ahead of us. And here, our gang, 3-4 of us is here. We are a little
We
bit
are
better.
enjoying a lot, yeah.
All of them were enjoying.
Yeah, I hope so. So, any comment, Mr. Miss?
No comment.
Yeah, me, Pam?
Doing God's ministry is most enjoying your life.
Yes. And next,
We
and
are the-
how do you feel going like this, going other villages and visiting Rongmei villages?
I feel good.
How do you feel?
And doing that.
And what do you gain from my drive?
You get many things.
Please answer, yeah?
I get many new things. I learn many things. How to be a ministry. How to go to other place. And I eat many things.
Whoa.
So, what did they provide for you? Oh?
Chicken, pork, and dog meat.
Boom.
I think you are the most luckiest among Tangkul tribe, yeah?
Yes, I am the blessed one.
Yeah. You are the only begotten daughter. And
In my family.
yeah, and I think future plan you are doing also. Yeah.
Research.
Research. Yeah.
History research.
Rongmei research.
Future of my research.
yeah.
That should be, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So how is this Bitian and Lungjang? Is it beautiful the place?
Yes. Good. Say wonderful, everyone. Wonderful.
Wonderful, yeah?
Beautiful.
So can you sing one Rongmei song for me?
So sorry, brother.
No, which we sing last night.
I cannot.
Gisu Ramjan, yeah. Gisu
Ramjan Tihai.
Gisu Jeme Lam Tihai, na? Yes. See, Yemi Pam know better than this Rongmei guys, yeah? I feel shy. Same on you. Okay, this is.
What is this?
Wow, these are the rocks. No, rocks also. I don't know. You know, Esther, this stone you eat.
Nam tan, kom nam tan, nam da.
You ate one time, no?
Oh, this is the one or what?
Yeah, this stone. She says she's nice to eat.
Where that is? I wonder to my sister. The one who
These are beautiful place.
I'm thinking when we are sitting together, we cannot sit near the fire.
Very green place. Beautiful place. This is Pamlau. Zoom cultivation. I think they plant chili, many things.
Hey, Papa! Don't go, Papa! Please look down, see! So,
Yeah, they are going kopal.
go and take front side. Papa. Best Papa. Best Papa
best
2016
precinct tour.
preaching door.
Yeah.
So you go and take that.
What is their name? Naga. See, some women are taking rest. They are so working hard. Yummy, Pam. Yummy. If you don't choose properly, you will be like this, okay? You have to walk. As God says, in Bible says, walk, eat. Yeah. So I'm going ahead, yeah. Yeah, do bye bye. Yeah.
See you.
Yeah, see you all. Somehow, yeah. Evergreen. These are the 2016 prison couple. Brother Johnson and Sister Sophia. Brother Johnson of Lungjang, Sister Sophia of Mochi. No, 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 no. Mapli. Bông Johnson. Cái này mình kể vào giáo sẽ to cả lộn này. Thế này, 2016 nung couple thế này, mọi người này remembering na tabang ha. So that we will remember you. Yeah, please stand back once. Yeah. No problem, no matter. These are the 2016 couple. And these are the for this, yeah, for future. For sure, I think. Pray hard, okay, both of you. Clean nicely, okay. See, Brother Johnson and Sister. She will be my sister-in-law. She will be my sister-in-law, and he's my brother. See, they are quarreling. They are going to see. They feel shy, so they are running. Running. Run away. Thank you so much.